Hi everyone, Eric Reynolds with your Fox 10 News Now update. Many folks were enjoying being off for the Labor Day holiday. The holiday all about celebrating the achievements of American workers with an extra day away from the office. The Central Labor Union appears to have planned the first Labor Day in New York City back in 1882. In 1894, Congress made Labor Day a national holiday that also falls on the first Monday in September each year. With new COVID-19 cases, though, surging, health experts are encouraging Americans to remain vigilant over the Labor Day holiday. The return of college football marked a 2021 Labor Day weekend that looked a whole lot different than last year. Big events drawing tens of thousands in cities all across the country. Major indoor events like conventions and festivals also back on, but with masks, capacity limits, and proof of vaccination required at most venues. Organizers also hoping that all of the extra precautions will help ease people's concerns.
For a large group of mass drops, we know at least they were tested, they're vaccinated.
We had to go through a lot of strings, but honestly, it makes us feel all more comfortable.
Meantime, the official rollout of COVID-19 boosters could start as soon as this month. Pending the FDA authorization, Dr. Anthony Fauci says that 3 doses are likely needed for full protection. The recovery efforts continue in Louisiana a week after Hurricane Ida made landfall. Life is slowly getting back to normal in some places and in New Orleans. Neighbors with chainsaws are helping other neighbors clear the downed trees from their yards. Residents who have generators are also charging their neighbors' cell phones and computers for them as well. And hearty food is being served for free as the city tries to recover from the devastation caused by Ida.
Do as much as we can to feed the people who are here in town, in our area. We're working on getting back into their homes.
Power is expected to be restored to almost all of New Orleans by Wednesday, but the rest of the state may take a lot longer, possibly up to a month or more. Meantime, new environmental concerns about the damage caused by Ida. The Coast Guard says that a private dive team went out yesterday to try to locate the source of an oil spill just off the Louisiana coast. Images captured by a satellite show a miles-long brownish black slick spreading in coastal waters about 2 miles off of Port Fourchon. Now, the images appear to show the slick drifting more than a dozen miles eastward along the Gulf Coast.
So the second half of the day, plan on rain and storms to be around, but for the morning, things are going to be rather pleasant and dry. The temperatures currently are sitting in the low 70s for Mobile, Wilmer, Calvert, Pascagoula, Lillian, Pace, and Evergreen. You've got upper 70s early this morning around places like Orange Beach and Pensacola. As far as our winds, they are dead calm in most spots. Not a breath of wind anywhere except in Destin, where you've got a light north wind at about 3 miles per hour. There is a band of rain that's crossing Interstate 20 and also stretching all the way down to about Alexandria, Louisiana, producing showers and storms. That big band of rain is tracking southeast towards us, so although we're expecting to be dry this morning, coverage of showers and storms will go up for the afternoon. Heavy rain and lightning will be the primary threats, so keep that in mind if you're going to be traveling or if you have any outdoor plans. The projected high today around 90 or just shy of that. From Citronelle down to Theodore, Baldwin County about 87 to 90. From Gulf Shores up to Bay Minette, going to be hot with storms possible. On the Florida side, high temperatures will be in the upper 80s along the coast, low 90s for places like Century, Milton, and Crestview. Out in the Gulf waters, the projected wave height going to be 1 to 2 feet. The water temperature offshore 84 degrees with a northeast wind at 8 to 13 knots. The high tide comes after 1 o'clock later on this afternoon. I've got the latest Fox 10 Futurecast to time out today's projected rain chances and how things are going to look throughout the rest of this week as a lot of you go back to work and school starting tomorrow.